Hello, my name is Carlos Urban, and today I'm going to show you the basics on how to create a Google ad. So if you remember what a Google ad is, so let's put Chinese food, okay? So when you do this, if it doesn't say ad, those are organic results. Of course, when I did it, no ads came out, so let me put um, shoes. Okay, so this obviously is an ad. So this is a search ad. The keyword is shoes, that's why this is highlighted. So this is what is called a shopping text ad. As opposed, these are organic results, so these are close by where they sell shoes. Do you know the reason why it's not an ad is because it doesn't say ad anywhere. Here, these are ads, right? So these are called shopping ads. Okay, so how do we create an ad? So let's put here Google Ads. So Google Ads Campaign Manager, and that's really what we're gonna do. We're gonna use the Google Ads Campaign Manager. So let's click over here. So this is the one. It asks you to sign in. If you don't have a Google account, then when you sign in, it's basically going to ask you to create an account. So when you open it, you will see that you get a lot of information. So for some reason, it went to the keyword planner. Okay, here it is, Google Ads. I think what happened is I had not finished before, so it went to the place where I was last time. So this is what you're gonna get. So here are some ads that I've done in the past, how much I spent, all that. So again, we're sticking to the basics. Look for the big plus sign, blue plus sign, new campaign. So you have new campaign, resume campaign draft. So let's click new campaign. So you have here different objectives. Let's assume that I want to drive traffic to my website. So I have a website, so I'm going to click this one, right? So now it's asking me which type of campaign type, so I'm going to put search. We'll do later a display one. And in a separate video, I'll do a YouTube video ad because it would be too long if I do more than one. So your business website, so I need to find my website. Oh, I guess since I had just opened it, it was really handy. So I have a photography website, it's my hobby. I do all types of photography, so just copy that. I also sell pictures if you want to buy them here. But again, it's a hobby. We're just doing a test here. Okay, so now it has my website. Campaign name, I'm not going to change that. Just leave it like that. Start new. I'm doing this real quick because I want you to learn the basics. It asks you for a lot of information. By the way, here it tells you a lot of things. What do you want to focus on? Conversions, that's fine. I'm not satisfied yet. Okay, so finally we're getting somewhere. All right, United States. By the way, if you have a store, you can even put the address of your store and then put how long, how many miles. Audience segments. Let's see, this is interesting here. Okay, so you see, different. It's already giving me ideas, right? So, that's interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna put product photography. See what happens. Oh God, I didn't even spell it right. You see, now it's giving me suggestions that have more to do with what I do, events. So this is again, who is the target? So people who are looking for all of these things. For now, I'm just going to leave this one, events. Okay. Now, this is a lot more interesting. The keywords. Remember I showed you when I did shoes, so that was highlighted. Now, when it comes to, so first I'm going to put what I do, which is product photography. So if somebody's looking for product photography, okay, so now I'm going to click update keywords. Your current words, yes. Okay, oh, this is good. Look how good. So it took out like weddings and stuff. That I didn't, if somebody wants a wedding, that's not me. I don't like to do it. Okay, so far so good. So finally we got to where I wanted to get to, which is finally do something. So need a product shot. Need professional product shot. I knew this was going to happen. Too long. Need pro product shot. Save 50% today. Say 50, need a product shot. Headline 3. At least 3 headlines. Oh, so I'm going to put websites, stores. Okay, so those are my headlines. Description. If you need to improve the quality of your website, product shots. Save today and get studio quality. Too long. This is too long. You need to be to the point. Again, right now I'm just writing anything. I'm not really thinking too much. Okay, what else? Description. So here, if I'm going to do product shots, I want to show stuff from my website that has product shots. So let's see, where are my product shots? So this would be product shot, right? So I would need to put, so you want the landing site. Remember we learned that, right? So the landing page, you want it to be what you're selling. Okay. So that's it. This is really a very basic text search ad. Here you can see how it's in the phone. Here is how it looks in the computer. So I'm going to cancel this one. So we're going to do a display ad. So I'm going to pause it for a second. Okay. Just takes forever to close it and go back. So here, remember, main page, new campaign. New campaign. So let's stick to the website traffic. Oh, let's see what else we have. Brand awareness. No, let's do brand awareness. Okay, display ad. So I want this to, nobody knows about my business. So I want this to appear in relevant places. Okay, so this is my website. So this is important. So for now, focus on the United States. English is fine. I just want to get to doing the, now it's asking for budget. So let's put $10. targeting, that's important. I don't want just anybody. I want people who have something to do with photography. Ah, I needed to go back. That's fine. Let's just focus on this because this is the most important stuff. Okay, so business name. So I'm gonna put CE photography. Okay, so now I need to add images, right? So you see, put already. So this is the part that's really cool. You go here, add images, and you have, let's say you have some images, then you can use those, but you can actually say scan website. So I'm going to scan website. So now look at this. You generated, oh my God, you can even go to my Twitter, my Instagram. So if you, so this is very interesting. If you don't have a website, maybe you have your Instagram. So, all right. So I'm just gonna select. So I'm gonna say, let's say I'm doing one for tours, like wildlife. Again, I'm just whatever. Oh, by the way, you see, it gave you also the option to upload. So if you click upload and you don't have a website, then that would work. Look at this, already generated the first one. If I click this one, I think I'm not allowing it to work. Okay, hold on a second. I think what happens was that this one may be too big. Let's see. Okay, let's just work with that one. Again, we're trying to do things here a little quickly. So I'm going to put headline, Yellowstone photo tours. Save 50% today. And then sign up. Okay, so let's see how that looks. Here it is, save today, 50%. Why didn't it put the Yellowstone tours? Oh, there it is. Sorry, Yellowstone photo tours. I guess I need to put a description. Sign up today for our next Yellowstone photo tour. I'm gonna put 4 days. Lodging and transportation. Good. 4 days lodging. Transportation. Included. Okay. Again, I would put something a lot more interesting, like learn from the best and so on. But again, I just want to show you how to do these things. They're so easy to make. Okay. So you have all of these previews, and that's it. So you have here for the phone, and for the computer, the cool thing is, again, because computers are a lot more flexible, you see it came out like a vertical type of ad. It could, you see, these are the annoying ones, right? The Yellowstone tours. So again, this is just a short video. I just want to show you how easy this is. You can obviously add a lot more information and play with the pictures and so on. But again, just wanted to show you how easy this is. Let me see if I can get my famous picture. So my famous picture. Oh well, but you're yeah, but you're not gonna find a line in Yellowstone. Okay, so just leave it like so. Again, you have your asset library. Scan your website. You can upload pictures. So this is just your pictures and so that's it. So here it is. Here is our ad. So I hope you found it useful. I also have videos for Facebook and Instagram ads. For that, I actually have a basic and intermediate. So I'll do a more advanced intermediate one for this one and also for the YouTube ads, which is something that a lot of people have asked me for. Okay, thank you. I hope you enjoy.